Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand name Village 11 Factory. I hope I'm pronouncing the brand name right. This is their 12% Relax Day AHA Exfoliating Body Lotion. I paid $15 for this lotion and we get 300-gram product. This body lotion is fragrance free, alcohol free, essential oil free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free, but this is not silicone free. If you're going to use this product on your face, this is not fungal acne safe. And if I'm not wrong, this brand is cruelty free. So this product has 12% glycolic acid. Glycolic acid not only exfoliates the top layer of your skin, it is also anti-aging. And glycolic acid is smaller in size. It penetrates deep into our skin. It can be very irritating. Not everybody can tolerate 12% glycolic acid. But the overall formula of this lotion is really nice. This has canola oil, petrolatum, dimethicone, coconut oil, squalene higher in the ingredient list. These ingredients lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. Squalene also help reverse some of the UV damage. This also has glycerin, and if I'm not wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong, this has 5 different weight of hyaluronic acid. These are great humectants. This also has collagen and ceramide. These are great skin barrier strengthening ingredients. This also has a form of vitamin E, great antioxidant, and they added some great soothing and calming ingredients in this. This has centella extract, green tea extract, licorice root extract. This also has metacascicide. These are great soothing and calming ingredients. And licorice root extract also help with redness. It's also brightening. So let's talk about my experience with this lotion. Even though this has canola oil, petrolatum, dimethicone, squalene, and coconut oil higher in the ingredient list, but the overall formula, it's great. This lotion is actually very lightweight. This absorbs really fast into your skin, work great as a hand lotion, work great as a body lotion. You don't need to wait for it to completely absorb and then wear your clothes. This absorbs really fast. This has 12% glycolic acid. This lotion is a great option for you if you have dark elbows, knees, knuckles, ankles. This is a great option for you. Don't expect overnight results, miracles. Give this product at least 8 to 12 weeks. If you have dark elbows and knees, I'm 100% sure this will help. But again, don't expect overnight results. Give this product some time to work. If you have KP on your body, this works great. Again, don't expect overnight results. Give this product at least 8 to 12 weeks. If you have really rough nails, glycolic acid is great for your nails. With time, I think you will see great results if your nails are really rough. I saw great improvement in my nails since I started using this product. I never used this product on my face because I use this Purito AHA BHA refreshing solution. This has 7% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid. So I never use this product on my face, but you can use this on your face. Just keep in mind, this has 12% glycolic acid. That's a lot of glycolic acid. If your skin is sensitive, definitely don't use this on your face. But if you tolerate glycolic acid, if you never had issues with it, then you can use this on your face. The overall formula of this lotion is really good. They did such an amazing job with this lotion. I use this every day after I take shower. Every night I use this on my whole body, of course not on my face and neck. But I never had any issues with this, no irritation at all. The overall formula, it's great. You don't want to use this lotion after shaving, after waxing, because this burn really bad. And you also don't want to use this lotion before you get your laser treatment and after you get your laser treatment. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, ask your doctor before you use this product. This also works great as a hand lotion. If you have really dry, rough hands, I think you will really enjoy this product. I will recommend you to use this product 3 times a week. See how your skin reacts to this product, and then you can maybe use it every day. I use it every day without any issue. I had no issue using this product every day. But start with 3 times a week and then see how your skin reacts to it, and then you can use it every day. My experience with this product was great. I will highly recommend you to give this product a try. I think you will really enjoy this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.